Ever wondered how we carry everything what we need for a round the world trip with our motorcycles?
In this video, we are breaking down exactly what we pack into our luggage.
We are BIKEmitUNS, so that's me, Ellen, and Sven. Currently, we are riding from North America to South America. We shipped our bikes last year in April to Vancouver, Canada, and right now we are sitting here in Medellin, Colombia.
A lot of people asked us if we can show them our luggage setup, so here it is. Both of us are using the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 system. It's a soft luggage system where you don't need any rack or something else on your bike, so we save a lot of weight this way. Furthermore, we're using both tank bags. I have on my bike a 5-liter Mosko Moto hood tank bag, and Ellen is using the smaller 1-liter Pico tank bag.
Additionally, I have on my bike 2 crash bar bags from SW Motec, each of them 8 liter. We carry our sneakers in them and also our spare tubes, one for the rear and one for the front.
We have been riding with our Reckless 80 for over 70,000 kilometers through rain, mud and mountain passes. And here's how we make it work. The right side of my Reckless 80 contains all my clothes. The molly bag behind it includes my spare parts and some tools. The left side contains all our camping stuff. That includes our tent, my sleeping bag and pad, pillow and so on. The molly bag on this side carries our tools and some spare parts as well. In the top bag I am carrying our cooking pots, water bladder, waterproof gloves, my toiletries, flip-flops and smaller bits like compressor and paracord. Furthermore, I am carrying an extra tent pole bag, which includes our tent poles and tent pegs. On the top of my Reckless 80 I am carrying my waterproofs.
My right side of the Reckless contains all my clothes and my toiletry bag. The molly bag underneath it has all my spare parts and my spare foam air filter. In the left side lives my camping equipment, so my sleeping bag, sleeping pad and pillow. Furthermore, I have my rain jacket, my flip-flops and my puffer jacket in there. In the molly bag behind it I carry our foam fitter oil, grease, the cargo net and our fuel stove. In my stinger are all electronics, a MacBook, a drone, several SSDs, cables, a little tripod. Outside of the Reckless I have a pouch with WD-40 and our chain oil for our electric chain oiler. And on the other side I carry the fuel bottle with the pump. In the tent pole bag I carry our 2-gallon fuel bladder and my waterproof rain pants. In our tank bags we just carry small stuff, for example battery packs or cables. In our backpacks we carry our documents and the hydration bladders.
2 years ago our travels with our motorcycle started in Europe, and we learned over the time that we don't need so much as we expected. So the first year we had a lot of luggage on our bike. For example, we were carrying 2 chairs, a bigger tent.
Our cooking pots were bigger. I mean, we were carrying even bowls and plates. We don't carry that anymore. We definitely carry less clothes, I think.
Yes, and we try that everything we are carrying has a multi-purpose. That means, for example, our shorts we're wearing, we can wear them as a trousers, but they're zip off and we can wear them as a shorts as well.
For example, our puffer jacket, we use that as an additional layer when we are cold when riding, so we can use that off the road but also on the road.
And our strategy is always pack light and pack smart.
Yeah, so Everything is also waterproof, as you can see, so it's important for us that when we have like heavy rain or we go off-road, nothing will be wet. Even though we are 2 years on the road with the Reckless, we still reorganize and repack everything just to improve it. And so far, this is now how it looks right now, but it could change in a month, in 2, or in half a year. We don't know. This Reckless is already 3 years old, mine. Sven's is already 2 years old, and so far they're holding up really, really good. After 2 years now on the road, we have a little bit problems with the dry bags, but Mosko Moto will replace them. In a week we get the delivery probably. So yeah, everything is working good so far. We wouldn't change to another system at this point because this is working for us.
For us it's perfect. It's light, it's durable. And yeah, the only downside from our point of view with soft luggage is the safety.
So when we go get groceries, only one person is going into the grocery store and the other person is standing outside. But yeah, so far on the road, nothing happened yet. Sometimes we just left the bikes outside and have a look on them.
And in some areas where we don't have the best feelings, we pick up our Reckless and put it up into our hotel room or somewhere else.
Yeah, so it's quite easy. Also, we're using the Knoblin mount. So we just put the stinger down and carry it on our shoulders. It's really easy.
Really easy access and it's fast. Got questions about our gear?
Drop them below. We'd love to hear from fellow riders. Don't forget to like,
subscribe and follow our journey on Instagram, Facebook or YouTube.